Hey guys, Steve Sheets here with Ghost Ranch Communications, doing a super fast tutorial today on how to save selections in PowerPoint because grabbing things can be tedious. I ran into this problem working on points along a timeline, but we'll just do it here for an example. So I've got all of these circles here, and for whatever reason, grabbing them all is super tedious, and I want to save that selection. There is no save selection feature on PowerPoint, but I'm going to show you a workaround that works for it. That is under Arrange. You can group those objects. Also, there's key commands for that. It's Ctrl G on a PC or Command Option G if you're on a Mac. Then you can ungroup them all, which is Command Option Shift G on a Mac or Ctrl Shift G on a PC. Now at this point you might be saying, okay, great, so what? This is stuff I already knew. What some people don't know is there's a regroup option, which works even if you only have one of those objects selected. So if I go down under Arrange and hit Regroup, alternately I could do the Ctrl Shift J on a PC or Command Option J on a Mac. That would regroup it, ungroup it again, and you've got them all selected. Going in and out of groups like that can be extremely useful because, once again, even if I only have one of these objects selected, do the key command to regroup them, and I've got them all together as a group again. Or if I need them selected individually, then I just go back and ungroup it, and there you have it. Every object is selected individually without having to pick them up one by one. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe, or feel free to visit us at ghostranch.com for help with any of your presentation needs. Thank you and have a great day.